very important. Those who are out to come in, we want to start the training about judging. Continue. I know after this, he has a lot of guests. We have media briefing.
All of us are able to see clearly. Anyone with a challenge? Thank you, we can proceed. So the Kisii show will start next week on Thursday from 6th to 9th July 2023. As we all know, this show covers the southern counties of the Nyanza region, including Kisii County, Homa Bay, and Migori, as well as parts of Narok on the Transmara region. This is a premier show which will attract over 70 exhibitors. We are expecting over 70 exhibitors as from next week and 1,000 of showgoers. Kisii show boasts of being a sticker depending on your need. The essential sticker for all the 4 days will be going at 4,000 shillings. We have the daily ticket adult going at 200 shillings. That is from 6th to 9th of July for the 4 days. And then the most important one that we might all use as exhibitors is the trade attendant ticket, discounted at 700 shillings for the 4 days. Then we will also have the membership categories. Most of our exhibitors are encouraged to buy the full membership, the one running at 3,000. This will enable you to get 2 membership badges, so 2 staffs are able to be accommodated, and 1 car park sticker. Allow me kindly to also just highlight the importance of having the 1 car sticker. It is only used at the designated parking spaces during the show. So kindly note that the car sticker will not enable you to use your vehicle to get into the show unless it is an executive membership. So if you have any further question on the membership categories, feel free to visit my office. My contact details are also with you. I can always be able to answer on any issues or queries. I'll also go to the exhibition rates. I'm happy to report that most exhibitors who are represented here today have booked their spaces. Some have done payments, others are yet to do, and most invoices have been issued to all of you. So if you have anyone here present who is yet to get an invoice for payments or any other documents that you need, you can visit our offices. and just quickly highlight the available spaces that we still have. We have a small stand open space 10 by 10, going at that amount indicated on the screen, that is VAT inclusive. Then we still have open medium stand 20 by 20, going at 58,000. Then we have large stand open space, going at 69,600. All those prices are VAT inclusive. So if we have any exhibitor present here who is still yet to get a space, kindly visit our office for the same. You can also introduce your other colleagues or partners on board to book the available spaces. Moving forward, just to highlight a catalog production that we do during the show. Most exhibitors here will be able to get a copy of our show catalog, which will be available from the first day of the show. Or a few copies will be distributed to the stands. Highlighted on the screen are the rates for advertising. We still have a day to go to confirm if you still want to put an advert on the same. So you can just take the details down and you can visit the office in case you have any other question. Of importance to note are the deadline dates for the show of Kisii. Tomorrow we have end of space booking for the catalog as I've mentioned. On 4th of July, preparation of stands in readiness for judging should be ready. As we are all aware, our judging, are we all able to see those who are taking photos? On 4th of July, we should all be ready for those who are entering into judging, so that the next day the judges are able to coordinate the activities well. The same day, we should also, all of us should have been able to enter into all our judging classes. We highly encourage it to all our exhibitors to enter into judging in good time, just to avoid any other inconveniences or anything that might come up. Our exhibitors meeting today, we are holding it on 29th of June. Moving forward, show rundown. On 5th, as I had mentioned, we'll have the pre-show, stroke trade judging, Wednesday next week. So I highly encourage all exhibitors to be ready. On this first day of the show that will be on Thursday, we'll have the Farmers Stroke Business Day. All farmers are welcome, and every business, individual or entities are welcome to visit the show. Then I'm happy to announce we'll be officially opening the show Friday. The guest of honor to be confirmed in good time. Family Day will be running on Saturday and Sunday on 8th and 9th July. For more details, as I had mentioned, our contacts on the screen, those are the numbers you can reach me via. You are also welcome to come to the office, and I'll also just give a few minutes session for question and answer. Thank you. We love both small, medium, and high-end hotels, so our exhibitors are highly encouraged to visit the eateries within. Food will be available and will be well taken care of. We have other sector players to exhibit their wares from farm inputs, that is the agriculture department, the processing, manufacturing outlets, as well as financial sectors. All will be with us during the show. We will also have designated areas for livestock. Just behind here, we will have our livestock stand, whereby our farmers will be able to exhibit both local and international livestock breeds. As I move forward, I will just quickly highlight the benefits that all our exhibitors will be able to get when they will be doing exhibition at Kisii Show. We'll have close sales of your products and services.
My name is Kefa Onduso, Chairman of Agricultural Society of Kenya, Southern Kenya branch, Kisii Show. As you are aware, we are back to our staging our activities after a break of COVID, and our show dates are running from 6th to 9th of July 2023. We are set and we are ready to showcase new technologies in terms of agriculture and trade, particularly in the agriculture sector, trade, the banking institutions, the learning institutions, all that. As you can see, even behind me are representatives of our exhibitors. Our Director of Agriculture is here just to ensure that all is well. Again, we can talk in terms of security. We are set, our security is ready. We have spoken with all security apparatus. We are ready and waiting for the show to be. In terms of fanfare, we have set and we want to encourage, particularly this year, and the theme is aligned with the activities of the CBC. So I want to encourage the young farmers, the 4K clubs, the farm and dairy activities, particularly the school-going children, to come to the show and visit the CBC areas so that now they can learn more within the stands of farm and dairy, the 4K clubs, and the young farmers. So as we want to encourage you and welcome you most, because in this year we have a lot of entertainment, particularly in the arena area, the amusement park. We will have a number of bands, the choirs in place, the football matches, the tug of war, where we will see men struggling to entertain others in terms of playing. So now we want to encourage you, feel most welcome. Karibuni, tukutane maonyeshoni. Asanteni.
So far, you can tell us how many exhibitors have shown interest.
In terms of exhibitors, we have a number. As you can see, in this building and the hall, we have exhibitors training taking place today. We ought to have targeted 200 exhibitors, but we have got so far 101, and that is what it is a big number, I want to tell you. In comparison to other years, we had a minimum of 70, particularly in 2019, before we had to stop because of COVID. This year we are receiving a number of exhibitors. This is because of our wide range of marketing that we have done. Number two is because we have improved our stadium, particularly on the road. You can see we have now a tarmacked road. This is now because after these improvements and security that we have arranged, a number of exhibitors are really coming in. So as we are talking as at today, we have 101 exhibitors who have confirmed participation.
Cost of tickets?
In terms of tickets, we want to say that if you have a vehicle, we have essential services, that is the stickers for the vehicle. On a daily basis, we charge 100. And in terms of the showgoers, the adults will be charging 200. The children will be charging 150. But we have those that we call special parties. These are groups. For example, a school has come with children in uniform. These are the special groups, provided they are above 50. So here we have discounted rates where we are charging each child 100 shillings and accompanying teacher at 150. This is just like a discount because they are in huge numbers. These are the judges at the gate, but we have categories of memberships whereby a single member goes for 2,000 shillings, full member goes for 3,000 shillings, and executive member goes for 8,500 shillings. We have tried to partner with a number of organizations, one being Kisii Primary, and we have secured a parking area where we will be doing the member car park. We have also partnered with the Kisii Sports Club, where we will be running our fun fair activities so that our crowd in terms of entertainment, in terms of fun fair way, they will be entertained on those sides. So we want to say that we are set, we are ready, karibuni tukutane maonyeshoni.
Okay.
Thank you. We have tried to look into the calendar of activities. One, our show is coming just after break of half term. So we aligned our activities looking at the school calendar. And two, a number of things that we have done in this year. One is introducing the young farmers clubs, which has not been there. We have done the 4K clubs, and we are also looking at Farm and Daily. We want to partner with the community and particularly the youths. And that is why we said that we will be considering them as special groups, and their entry fee will be just at a reduced rate. Two, the surrounding community, particularly those with entertainment groups, the choirs, the poems, the theater groups, we have recruited them so that they will be participating in our arena. Previously, we used to take people from very far, but now we said we have to look at the groups within ourselves. So we have a lot. We have realized that our county has good in terms of theater, in terms of drama and the poems. So now we have given them a free entry. They will be participating within the arena. And our farmers particularly, we have ensured that we have trophies. They will enter into competitions where we will award the winners. Director is here, is very familiar about this. So we want to say that we have a lot of trophies which we will be giving the winners. And you know, most important, when you come to participate in a show, at the end, you are the winner. You go home with a trophy. I tell you, is the best thing that an exhibitor will enjoy.
I am Nathan Soire, the County Director of Agriculture, Kisii County. Today, we are in the countdown to hosting this year's Kisii Show. Kisii Show is basically an agricultural show. This year, we are happy to announce that there are quite a number of exhibitors, over 100 exhibitors, and all of them, in one way or another, they are promoting climate-smart agriculture and trade initiatives for sustainable economic growth. As most of you are also aware, this country, and even Kisii in particular, we are grappling with food insecurity. Food prices have skyrocketed, and it's high time that we did our best to ensure that our farmers are put in a lot of effort by embracing modern agricultural technologies to increase agricultural productivity so that we address the high cost of foodstuffs and also to improve the living standards of our people. So I am appealing to the farming community in Kisii and in our neighboring counties to come in large numbers to learn. There is a plenty that will be exhibited, a lot of technologies, new technologies, and that are appropriate to our farming conditions in the county. and in the neighborhood. In Kisii County, we are faced with a lot of challenges. A major one is the declining or the ever declining land sizes, which calls upon all of us to embrace modern production technologies to increase food production. Agriculture includes crop production, so they will be having a lot to do with crop production. We'll be having a lot to do with the livestock production, aquaculture, that is fisheries, issues to do with cooperative development, irrigation, and the other departments that are relevant to agriculture. They will be exhibiting in this show. Okay, if you go to the prisons, a lot of technologies will be exhibited, KTDA, and all the other stands. So welcome, we have plenty to show in this year's show.
Thank you. My name is Peterson Arao. I'm a factory unit manager of Gembo Tea Factory, but representing Kisii and Nyamira factories. We are also exhibitors, and we shall be exhibiting on from 6th to 9th. And we welcome everyone. We are excited first that God has helped us to overcome the COVID, and we are excited that this year we are back, and we've been looking forward to this, and we shall be there. We are welcoming all the farmers and everybody to come and learn more about tea farming and the technologies that we have embraced right from the field production, in the factory manufacturing and the sales, to ensure that farmers get gainful employment.